So Fruity-chan, who are we covering for today?
We are doing Virtual Self.
Wait, you mean Virtual Riot?
Virtual Self.
Virtual Self? Wait, how can you have two of the same name?
Because Virtual Self.
Fine, Virtual Self. Wait a minute, that's just a Porter Robinson tutorial. I already did him. That means I can end the video right now. Fine, I'll take a listen. This sounds like Dance Dance Revolution music. Better open Ableton.
Actually, you still have to use Fruity Loops Studio since Virtual Self is basically Porter Robinson.
Fuck! Well, you want a beat kind of like this. Like you get the boot, booch, 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 pash, booch, pa, booch. And then you add like a loop too, like as you can see right here. Then like all together.
This is literally ripped off from Ghost Voices.
Well, your face is a ripoff.
Roasted!
So for the second part, like, you know, you get your claps, see right here. Yeah, you want this thing too. You know, then the kick goes here, like, and the digga 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 digga, and then you add like this fill right here. Then you got like this weird dubstep thing happening. Oh yeah, then yeah. Whoa, that does not sound right.
That is right. Virtual Self likes to put wacky kick patterns.
What? See, that kick pattern sounds like you would use in like a gent song.
The kick pattern from Key is ripped off from Meshuggah.
Wait, you gotta be kidding me, right? What? What? He just ripped that off. You guys know that song Bleed? The first 2 or 4 bars, that's literally the kick pattern from that song. Fine, weird kick pattern, you wanna... Well, and then that's it. That clap needs a lot of reverb, like it needs humongous reverb. So for the lead, you want the sample, you know, you heard from like Ghost Voices. And then like you bassline does that, then you add like this, then the melody here, it gets lower. Okay, this is literally just a Ghost Voices ripoff. And then you add like the bass, you know. Oh yeah, then he likes to add this weird plug thing. Yo, look at that. It's like do 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 do. Then you just layer the lead, which is another serum. Alright, these are just presets. Well, then all together, you get this. Oh, I forgot to mention, you want some, you know, side chain. So that's just the first part. So now for the second part, he uses a piano. Yeah, just do that. Yo, move. Don't play the piano. That just sounds so robotic. Like, you add like a lot of delay, and then like he uses a string too. Yeah, just... My god, stop dancing! Oh yeah, then you add a harp, like, you know? Yeah, add some fruity LSD. They're like all together. Then you add like this fill. I don't know why. Well, I don't want to explain all the synths, but like, you should have is all this. God, look at that. That's too many. This is too much. Alright, then you want like a bunch of runs here. Alright, I forgot to mention, like, I didn't put this as the effect. You want like a lot of delay, like... I mean, that's not even right, but like, you get the idea. And then like the bass, the chords, they're just basic saw chords. Then you got the bass to do. Oh yeah, then there's a tiny lead, you know? Yeah, that delay does not sound right. Then you just like, once you got all that, you just copy it here, and that's really it. Like, That's it. Now I gotta mix it. I don't like mixing. Just put a bunch of sound goodizers. It just makes it life better. Well, I think we're done here, so let's hear it.
But it's opposite day.
Oh no!
I'm